Karaage chicken burger sama bintangnya. Yuk. Ada lagi? Itu dulu ya. Oke, Bu.
Hello. Ooh. Oh. Whoa.
Hi guys.
We are now at Single Bin Uluwatu for lunch.
It's going to be amazing.
So this is nachos. Thank you. And karaage chicken burger. And
Yum, yum,
Corona.
yum, yum.
I think I choose the wrong beer. I say Corona or Alben.
No, you said Corona.
I don't drink Corona. You drink. I have to order one more.
I haven't drank it.
Yeah, no, but I don't like beer.
Okay.
How is your burger? Oh my
Nice.
god.
Crunchy.
Yummy.
How do you do? What's on your mind? Wandering around, looking for truth and light. Me and you, we could say last night when I saw the red light was to make a woman. It was like she knew it all along. I've been waiting for her. Last night when I saw
So this is your first time in Single Fin. What do you think about it?
Very nice place. Very good food. Must try.
I've been waiting for I've been waiting for I've been waiting Last night when I saw the red light was to make a woman. It was like she knew it all along. I've been waiting
Right, so Single Fin, Sunday is the busiest day. They have party every Sunday night. Yeah, okay. So, finito the day. We spent like 4 hours at Single Fin. lunch until finito. It's actually very good for sunset, but I did a few sunset already here, so I don't want to do it again. My suggestion when you come to single fin that use your motorbike, they have huge motorbike parking here rather than using a car, because car parking is quite difficult. So that's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.